The New Balance 991 V2 is making a strong statement as it heads into 2026, bringing a refined gray colorway that instantly reminds many sneaker fans of past iconic collaborations. This release features a forged iron tone on the premium overlays, delivering a darker and more matured take on New Balance's signature gray aesthetic. Lighter gray shades balance the upper, keeping the design clean, versatile, and easy to style for everyday wear. Subtle smoked pearl details appear on the rear midsole and ABZORB SBS cushioning pods, adding a slightly aged and premium feel without overpowering the overall look. Built with comfort and craftsmanship in mind, the 991 V2 continues the made in UK legacy with high-quality materials and reliable cushioning for long-term use. This colorway is already available through select retailers and is expected to roll out globally soon. It is a solid option for collectors and casual wearers alike who appreciate timeless design with modern upgrades.